Okay, we start with a square piece of paper, fold the bottom to the top, try to line it up the best you can. Press good on the fold. Open it up. Then we turn the paper so that the crease is vertical. Fold the bottom to the top again. Then open it up. Then we turn it like a diamond. Fold the bottom to the top. So we fold it in half like a triangle. Press good on the fold. Open it up. Turn it so that this fold is vertical. And fold the bottom to the top again to make another triangle. There are several ways to do the next step to get where we want to be, but this is one that I think works fairly well. Turning it upside down, and then I open the end and press down inside and fold these two pieces back together. Then I want to flip it over and do the same thing again. Open the end, press this down inside, and fold it together like this. Make sure that the open part is at the bottom. Next we will take the lower left or lower right hand section that's on top here, and we're going to fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center, right along the crease that we have there already. Press good on your fold. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other half. Fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center. Okay, next we want to turn it on the back and do the same thing. Hold the bottom right edge over so it lines up down the center crease. It will also line up with the part that we folded on the other side. Then do the same thing to the other half. Press good on all your folds. Next, you see this triangle section at the top. We're going to fold that straight down, right along this edge, and press down good. Then we lift it up, turn it over, and do the same thing on this side. Fold it down over the edge. What we're doing here is we're trying to loosen this up so that it makes the next part easier. So we do that, then we flip it over and do it back this way again. And you do back and forth several times until it's nice and easy to fold. Then we open the two sides. It should we're going to open the bottom, and it should fold on this crease that we just made. We're going to lift this up. It's going to make a tall diamond. You have to work with the creases on the inside here so that you have creases already to fold on, and you want to make sure that it does fold on those creases and not create new creases. You work with those until you get it to fold on the creases. In the middle, pieces should line up together side by side, but not overlap. And press down on all your folds. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. You open these two side pieces. It's going to fold right here in the middle as we lift it up. And it should fold along the creases on the sides at an angle to make a tall diamond. And this diamond should line up with the one that we have on the other side. Make sure the split is at the bottom. Take the bottom right and fold it over. This edge should be parallel with the center crease. Then we take the bottom left and fold it over the other direction. Press down good on your folds. Next, we'll take these two pieces and move them from the outside to the inside. So first thing is to fold this flap down, open this side, lift it up, and then fold it back in half. Okay, repeat that over here on the left. Fold the flap down, open the side, lift this up, and then fold it back in half. It should fold on the creases that we've made already. Okay, let me repeat that. We lift this flap up to the right, and you fold it down, you open it on the end, lift it up, and fold it back together in half. Okay, next step is to fold this flap down, and we flip it on the back. Fold it all in half lengthwise, just on the crease that's already there. Then we'll fold the top over to make a beak. Press down good on your fold. Then we'll take the beak and go from the outside to the inside. So you lift it up, open the end, push down inside, and fold it back together. It should fold on the creases that we've already made. Okay, this is our crow. It should stand up on the edge of a table. This is our project for today, a crow.
origami for your mommy.